Good morning. My name is Aditya. Today I am standing in Oxford Institute, and it was as I get to know about this course or this institute by from my colleagues, as my cousin sisters, and my from internet. As when I came to over here, I get to know about Miss Pooja, who was here as the receptionist and the front office manager, or he handles the front office over here, and she taught me about the e-accounting, which I am getting to learn over here. So then I'm come here and get to know about e-accounting, and I'm studying in e-accounting as my surname is Piraminal, and we in e-accounting I get to know about the what is Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Excel, and everything from Tally to bottom and from the upper backgrounds. And we over here the faculty is very nice, and classes are well decorative and well decorum, and the colleagues are very friendly, and they help to each other in many ways, like in helping in course, helping in studying, helping to know about the things, and the sir as well. And the sir also presents us extra classes, our training, and every session over here. Thank you.